Are you struggling with the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 exam, specifically the section on the knowledge of economic principles? Then this video is going to make things click for you. Hi, I'm Selena, a teacher for 20 years and a test prep expert with Study.com. Together, we will break down the key economic concepts you will need to know so you feel confident and prepared on test day. Let's dive in. A company notices that increasing the price of its product leads to a decrease in total revenue. Which economic principle might this company be experiencing, and what should the company consider doing? A. Law of supply, increase supply. B. Law of demand, consider decreasing the price. C. Price elasticity of demand, evaluate if the demand is elastic. Or D. Law of diminishing marginal utility, increase the product variety. Let's work through the process of elimination. A. Law of supply. This is about producers making more when prices rise, not about revenue going down when the price increases. B. Law of demand. This law just says people buy less when prices go up. D. Law of diminishing marginal utility. This is about customers getting less satisfaction from extra units, not about the relationship between price and total revenue. The correct answer is C. If increasing the price leads to a decrease in total revenue, the company is experiencing elastic demand, where the percentage change in quantity demanded is greater than the percentage change in price. The company should consider decreasing the price to increase revenue, as lowering the price in an elastic market can lead to a proportionally larger increase in quantity demanded. A new technology reduces the cost of production for a manufacturer. What is the likely short-term effect on the market for this product? A. Increase in supply and increase in equilibrium price. B. Increase in supply and decrease in equilibrium price. C. Decrease in supply and increase in equilibrium price. Or D. Decrease in supply and decrease in equilibrium price. A. This usually means more supply usually pushes prices down, not up. C. The question says costs go down, so supply would go up, not down. D. Again, supply wouldn't decrease when it's cheaper to make the product. The correct answer is B. A reduction in production costs typically increases the supply of the product because manufacturers can produce more at a lower cost. As supply increases, the equilibrium price tends to decrease, assuming demand remains constant because more products are available at a lower cost. If a business introduces a new product that is a close substitute for an existing product, what is the likely impact on the existing product's market? A. Decrease in demand for the existing product. B. Increase in demand for the existing product. C. No change in demand for the existing product. Or D. Increase in supply of the existing product. B. A substitute pulls customers away from the old product, not toward it. C. A close substitute almost always changes demand because buyers now have another option. D. The company might change production later, but the first impact is on demand, not supply. The correct answer is A. The introduction of a close substitute typically leads to a decrease in demand for the existing product because consumers may switch to the new product. This shift occurs as the new product offers similar benefits, leading to a decrease in the quantity demanded for the original product. A retailer notices that during economic downturns, consumers buy more generic brands instead of premium brands. What economic concept does this illustrate, and how should the retailer adjust its strategy? A. Law of diminishing marginal utility, increase the number of premium products. B. Inferior goods, focus on increasing the range of generic products. C. Law of supply, increase the price of premium brands. Or D. Price elasticity of demand, decrease the price of generic products. A. This is about satisfaction decreasing with extra unit, not about income shifts or brand choices. B. Supply explains producers' behavior, not why consumers switch to cheaper brands in tough times. D. People already buy more generics when incomes drop. No need to lower their price further. The correct answer is B. The behavior described illustrates the concepts of inferior goods, which are goods that see increased demand when consumer incomes fall. In an economic downturn, consumers might shift towards more affordable options like generic brands. The retailer should adjust its strategy by increasing the range of generic products to meet this increased demand. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions for the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 exam, specifically the section on the knowledge of economic principles. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.